Good morning, welcome to Nature's Wild Playground, and today we are going to be rendering down pig fat. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Alright, the easiest way of doing this is going from here and cutting down like this. That little piece off there. You're going to need a really sharp knife for this. Watch your hand. DJ went through and sharpened my knives for me. See how that has a lot of resistance? A lot easier that way. Thank God the counter's clean. Doesn't matter what size strips you do. You want to cube it up so that way it melts down evenly. I'm going to set that piece aside. This thicker skinned one here, I was cutting it like this. You don't want to do that. DJ showed me to go from the top and it makes it a lot easier. See? Don't really want to do anything. All else fails, ask the butcher of the house. This one isn't too thick, so no. This one's a little thin on this side, so it's going to be a little bit harder to do. Throw those right in the pot. That's from the die stamp. Or the stamp die that they used for butchering and marking and all that fun happy horse shit. And now we've almost got 2 pots full. We're going to make cracklings out of this too, because nothing goes to waste. I can't garden anything today. It's still too cold out and it's raining. Go figure. Cut that little bit off there. I'll turn you around. You can see what's in the pot. I'm going to turn my burner. Let's see, I always mess this up. Oh, look at that, I didn't mess it up today. You don't want it on high, you want to do it on a medium to medium low. So that way it slowly melts down. Stir it occasionally. Good to go. And DJ's over here stirring this.
We got a lot of grease.
We got quite a bit of grease in the pan. Ow! You do want to watch out for that because it will jump out of the pan and splatter you. We did go ahead and this was frozen when we got it, which no big deal. We put it on paper towels, let it set on the paper towels overnight, so that way there was less water in our lard. So it's a nice little trick. Even if it's not frozen and you want to do that, you can do that. We are a little in over an hour now of rendering down this lard. So we got quite a ways to go yet. And DJ is starting to separate it. Here, dear. That'd be a heck of a lot easier with that. And once this cools a little bit, I'm gonna probably put them in the plastic egg cartons that we got. And then probably do little squares with it so we can use it for camping. Or you can even put it in mason jars and just throw the lid on it. Or can it, depending on what you prefer to do. It does smell good in here though. And there's our leftover lard. Or there is our lard, I should say. This pan looks burnt, but it's because of the coloration on the bottom of the cast iron pan. I've had that pan for 5-6 years now. And it's just now seen its last days because it's coated. Now that our lard is done, I gotta get clothespins. I know, getting clothespins sounds very odd. But you don't want no meat or any fat in your lard. Well, at least I don't. Guess it depends on someone's preference. I'm going to take clothespins like I did in my canning video last year. As I'm putting shit in my cheesecloth. There we are. What the clothespins is going to do is going to hold our cheesecloth in place to lend a hand. The whole process. And I'm going to put some lard in old, like olive jars, and things like that, so I can save my canning jars, because it's coming to that time of the year for us, and I have to make more chicken noodle this year. So, grab my ladle and a bowl. It looks like I gotta try this one out. I don't want no water in it. Try to get a better view going on here of what I'm doing, because you guys are in the sink. Yeah, so I'm going to set my plastic egg container aside. Those are very nice. They come in handy for so much. You can see the lard, but there's pieces of things floating in it, so I'm just gonna go and get those out of there. See some of the pieces in there. That's what I'm trying to avoid. I'll get a plate so I have something to put my strainer on. It's convenient working in this spot because everything's right here. See all those pieces in there? Not going to hurt any, but I don't want them in there. Yeah, we got that separated. Oh, need my ladle. I use this ladle for everything. It's my canning ladle. going to take quite some time for your lard to set up. It's going to be roughly 8 to 10 hours. But with me putting them in the plastic egg carton, or you can use styrofoam after your lard is cooled, I'm going to be able to put this in a little Ziploc baggie and take it with us when we go camping. Nope, there's a little too much in that one, but it'll work. I'm just going to continue to fill these all the way down through. And once this sets up, I'll show you what that looks like. And there's our lard for camping. How convenient is that? I see here it's starting to set up. Getting there. It's going to take some more time. I'm going to put my lids on tight. Okay, so here's our finished product of our lard in a old olive jar. And our lard in our egg containers. I'll just take a spoon, go in on the side, and just pop it out. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.